We're on a heading of 260.
We're 4 Delta Tango, McCarran Airport's 11 o'clock, 25 miles.
4 Delta Tango, we've got the airport in sight.
4 Delta Tango, join the final approach course at or above 3,500 on your present heading. Clear visual approach, runway 19 right.
Cleared visual 19 right, and we'll join at or above 3,000 4 Delta Tango.
At or above 3,500 for the final for 4 Delta Tango.
At or above 3,500 4 Delta Tango. Awesome. 19 right, 3,500 at or above. Okay. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so we've got the approach loaded with vectors to final there. That's good. Final approach course is set here. And as soon as we turn inbound, we'll arm the approach mode there. And go to GPS mode.
Delta 1630 flighting a 19er, expect Reno.
Hey, heading 190, we'll expect Delta 1630.
Where we are on the chart.
84 Bobby, ready to contact about 18 miles south of McCarran 6004 to Las Vegas, altimeter 29905. You're cleared through Bravo airspace, and you said you're Comanche site?
Roger that, Comanche PA46/golf.
84 Papa, roger that. You are cleared through Bravo airspace, navigate towards Henderson. For now, just maintain at or above 6,000, and let me know when you have Foxtrot.
Direct to Henderson Airport, director above 6,000, 84 Papa.
Vegas approach, Roger 1448 with you, 12,000 feet.
1448 Vegas approach, good afternoon, expect 26 left, flighting 200 to center, maintain 8,000.
Heading 200, descend at 8,000 feet, Western 7, 1448.
Alright. Okay. Alright, fuel is good for now. I'm going to start pulling power back. Get it slowed down.
Las Vegas approach, Cardinal 2174 Quebec, descending to 5,500.
2174 Quebec, Vegas approach, going to Las Vegas, altimeter 29905.
29905, 74 Quebec.
Delta 1630, turn right direct to Larry to intercept the localizer, descend and maintain 7,000.
Hey, right turn, direct Larry down to 7,000, Delta 1630.
Forks Hotel, I do have traffic 1 o'clock, 3 miles off the direction altitude indicates 10,000.
Okay, got the glide slope in on the approach, that's good. So basically, once that starts coming in, we'll follow that thing.
Hotel, Caution Lake turbines is a Gulfstream 4 on a 3-mile final, contact tower 118.75, good evening.
Okay, gears, 3 down in green, mixture is full rich,
navigation for North
prop
Las
is
Vegas,
full
I'll have lower
forward,
shortly.
74 Quebec, and northbound in sight.
pressurization is set.
Read at Nighter Quebec, what is your
flaps is
destination
coming
and
in.
final request altitude?
Fuel is good.
The Bullhead Airport, India Foxtrot Papa.
Alright, so basically,
Quebec, roger that, and
when this
request
pink line starts to converge, starts to come in, then we make our turn to the final approach course.
7,500, 399 Quebec.
89 Quebec, roger, climb to request altitude is approved.
Altitude approach, 399 Quebec.
Okay, first notch flaps
Las
down.
Vegas approach, Comanche 684 Papa, reporting above Henderson Airport 6,100.
For Papa, roger that, flighting of 360 for now, you can just maintain a 5,000, and did you pick up Foxtrot?
We have information, Foxtrot, flight 360 at or above 5,000, 84 Papa.
74 Quebec, maintain at or above 4,000 now.
All right, here it
At or
comes.
above 4,000, 74 Quebec.
4 X-ray Hotel, you're outside Bravo airspace. Contact Los Angeles Center 124.85.
Take our turn to final.
Were we supposed to stay at 3,500?
Until the approach. Yep.
Los Angeles Center, Skyhawk 734 X-ray Hotel with you, 9,500.
Short Sheffield still in Vegas, at least 124.85.
But we're on
I'm sorry about that.
now,
3485, Forest Hotel.
No problem, good day.
Las Vegas approach, American 1368 Heavy, 12000 descending via the Tyson 5, Romeo.
American 1368 Heavy, Las Vegas approach, good morning, expect 26 flight.
American 1368 Heavy, good morning.
74 Quebec, maintain at or above 3,500 until entering Delta airspace. Contact North Las Vegas Tower 125.7, good day.
3,500 till Delta over to North Las Vegas Tower.
Give us
Thank you, 74
clearance.
Quebec.
Approach Malibu 4 Delta Tango. Copy, we're cleared for the approach.
4 Delta Tango, you should be on tower 1875.
11875, 4 Delta Tango. Tower Malibu 4 Delta Tango, visual 19 right.
November 444 Delta Tango, Las Vegas Tower, 13506, runway 19 right, clear to land.
19 right, clear to land, 4 Delta Tango. She never told me.
Hi, good morning.
No.
November
I never heard the
711
switch.
Whiskey Mike radio sequence 19 right.
7111 should be up. November 711 Whiskey Mike, Las Vegas Tower, thank you.
Okay. Little high. See that pink? That we're above that pink ball.
Uh-huh.
So we fly down to it, and when we capture it, you hold that, and that's the glide slope.
November 711 Whiskey Mike, runway 19 right, line up land.
Line up and wait, 19 right. November 711 Whiskey Mike.
November 4 Delta Tango, turn right at Sierra, heading ground point 1.
Right at Sierra and over to ground, 4 Delta Tango. Ground. Ground, Malibu 444 Delta Tango's clear at Sierra, taxi to Atlantic.
444 Delta Tango ground, turn right on Foxtrot, hold short of November.
Right on Foxtrot and short of November, 4 Delta Tango.
And American 711, you can taxi up ahead, hold short Bravo 1, monitor 19.9, have you rolling here about 3 minutes.
Understood. We'll taxi up and monitor 19.9, American 711. Ground afternoon, United 1720, coming up to spot 1 with Romeo.
United 1720 ground, good morning, runway 26 right, taxi via Charlie.
26 right via Charlie, United 1720.
There's our guy.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, okay. So he's from Atlantic.
Yeah.
Guides you into...
Well, we're here with the big boys.
Ground, Westjet 1448 with you, just clear on to Alpha 6. Westjet 1448 ground, turn right on Bravo, follow that Delta onto Charlie, and then contact the ramp. Bravo, follow Delta to Charlie.
Look at all the obstacles, all the buildings.
Jeez.
Brother.
Huh.
Yeah, there's a...
That thing's sweet.
Probably Michael Jordan's.
MJ.
They tuck us away in the back here, so we don't drag them down.
26 right via Bravo, Southwest 4505.
All right, that's where he wants us.
104, thank you. No sweat, thanks a lot. Tower's 1875.
1825, big stripe 104, yep.
5.
Ground Southwest 6379, approaching spot 12, Romeo, taxi.
Southwest 6379, ground runway 26 right, taxi via Bravo.
Bravo, 26 right, Southwest 6379.